Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to find the equivalent units for conversion cost. So the first thing we need to find about the units of transfers out. So the formula in here, we have beginning work in process plus transfer in minus transfer out equals to ending work in process. Now we have the number in here. The first one we have 2,400 transfer in during the period that is about this number in here. Transfer out we need to find and we have ending work in process that is about 20,000 units in here. So we put this one go to the right, 20,000 go to the left. So we got about 44,400. And the next one, that is about equivalent units. That is about transfer out plus ending work in process multiplied by the percentage of completion in here. So we have the final answer. That is about 56,400. This is the end. Thank you for watching.